In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to sort an array by string length. You can see here we have an example of an array with different words, but these words have different lengths. And our function would return the following array. So you can see eyes comes first now because the length is shorter than the length of glasses. So the way we could do this is by using the built-in sort method, and we're also going to pass in our custom sorting function. So let's do that. Array.sort, and here we're going to take A and B, which will be the words, so each of the words here, and we want to write our custom function, which will check the length. So A.length minus B.length. Let's test this. And there we go. It will be sorted based on the length. If you don't know exactly how the sort method works, I have a JavaScript array method series in which I'm explaining exactly how this works. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!